Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a video all about clean beauty. I have a couple skincare products as well as makeup to show you guys. We're gonna be creating this look here today. Very fresh face, very dewy, perfect for summer. I recently showed a few clean products recently, and many of you had said please do an entire video all on beauty products that are clean. And so I went on to Sephora and I made sure whatever products I picked had the stamp of approval with the clean beauty mark on it. Some of these products are also from Ulta, which also have the clean stamp on them. This is basically like a very easy summer look with products that are very fluid and cream based. We do use some powders as well because I know some of you guys are shooketh that I don't use powders all the time. Also, don't forget to check out the description box. I will have all the products listed down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Since we are doing a clean beauty video, I'm gonna do some skincare. I have a couple things to use. I'm gonna use the Summer Friday CC Me Serum. I love this vitamin C serum. This is one of my favorites. I've gone through one entire bottle already. Some vitamin C's can be very tacky. Most days when I use this, I remember, oh my God, I love this vitamin C serum because it just is so smooth. It feels nice, it's hydrating, it sinks into the skin really quickly. So you can layer all your other skincare products on, but I usually go in with this first. Then I'm gonna go in with the Daily Greens by Pharmacy. This is also a clean brand at Sephora. I am just gonna go ahead and moisturize since it is so damn hot out here. Also, I just got these earrings in. Aren't they so cute? I'll link them down below. I think they're from a company called Petal and Pup. They're based in Australia. I feel like Australia has some of the cutest fashion and style out there. One day I'll go out there, one day. I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX Dew Skin Primer. You guys have seen me use this a gajillion times here on my channel. Effect it gives is a very oily, dewy look. It's not like shimmer or anything. I have some primers that are meant to be like glowy, but they're like shimmery. This actually will look like dew. Do you see what I mean? That reflection. You guys have seen me use it so many times because it's just one of my faves if you're really going for that dewy, dewy, dewy look. And it makes your makeup last too, which is really nice. I'm gonna show you guys the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tints in SPF 40. I have two different shades here. I usually will mix. Sometimes, especially now, I'm much tanner than I usually am just on the reg. I've been in the sun a lot. This one is in the shade ST12 and this one's in ST11. But if worse comes to worse, if the colors don't work for me, I will go ahead and add the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. These are very similar products. Many of you have asked me which ones I like better, whether if it's the Ilia or the Kosas one. I can't give you a solid answer yet just because I just started using this. I've probably applied this to my skin maybe once or twice now. This I love. I've applied it a million times as you guys have seen on my channel, but I want to give this one a fair shot. So I'm going to continue using it, and once I have tried it enough that I kind of know what it's like, I will update you guys on which one I like better. But for the meantime, let's go ahead and start with this since you guys haven't seen me use this on my channel before. I'm gonna go ahead and use number 12. This, I'm gonna just, see how oily it is? I'm just gonna go ahead and use a brush and start to buff this into my skin. There's so much product on the dropper that you can just go ahead and layer this on. I just add a little bit more. See if that will cover it up. This feels really nice and lightweight on the skin. It's not heavy, but as you can see, it doesn't give a ton of coverage. The shade is a little off for me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of taking away the warmth of my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit here to see if it'll cover just a little bit more, just because I do need that extra coverage right here. Oh yeah, way more coverage. Look at that. This versus this. Ever since I started using the Glossier Stretch Concealer, So many of you guys were asking whether or not I've tried Ilia or RMS. This is why I love getting your guys' feedback and having you guys talk to me in the comments, because I really do read the comments and see what you guys think. So I got these guys. These are the RMS Uncover concealers. From what I've heard, it's like the step up from the stretch concealers. So, and you guys know how much I love the Glossier stretch concealer. It's like one of my favorites right now. So I have mine in the shade 33 and 55. This one is 55. So this one is very much to my skin, like perfectly, and this one will kind of brighten it up. I'm just gonna go ahead with the finger and just start applying these on. Ooh, these are very, like, very creamy. Very oily too. I'm gonna try the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer. This is a little bit more of like a skin tone concealer rather than like an under eye brightening. So I'm gonna just put some right here, and hopefully this will blend and cover those spots, because I don't want that spot showing. That's just like, oh wow, that was really good. Ooh, I have a tinted lip balm. Let's try that, because my lips are so stinking dry. I have this RMS tinted lip balm in Passion Lane. Oh, it's very pink. Not my color, but it feels good. This is the Lip and Cheek Stick by Milk. It's the shade Perk. Very, very pretty. Love the shade, so cute. I'm gonna do my blush. It gives you like this really sheer flush, which I always appreciate. So I also have the Milk, what is this? The translucent powder in the shade Medium. I'm gonna use this to start setting my under eyes. Oh my God, I'm itching. Ooh. I'm gonna set here. You guys know I love a good dew, but it's getting really dewy, like very oily around here. Okay, and then I have this Ilia bronzer. This is in Novelty. I've heard incredible things about this bronzer. It's really pretty, like the undertone is like perfect if you're someone who has like olive skin. This would be really great. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with this because I need some color. I'm gonna put some on my lids because why not? This bronzer is gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so pretty. If you guys know any clean brands or just other cream bronzer brands that I can try, let me know, because you guys know I always use the Huda one, but I'm kind of getting bored of it, of showing like the same thing over and over again. So if you have a suggestion, let me know because I would love to try it. So I will say the only product I really could not find that is clean is an eyebrow product. I'm also running low on a lot of eyebrow products right now, so there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my brows and then I will jump right back on. Okay, my brows are on, even though they look crazy. For those of you who are gonna ask, even though this is not a clean beauty product that I used the Hourglass Brow arch, whatever the heck this is called. Let's go on, let's move on. So I have this Cover FX blush. This is in the shade Warm Honey. How cute is this? This really pretty corally shade. I'm gonna take a brush. These are also really pigmented, so be careful. Be extra careful. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna use the Kosas Color and Light Cream Palette in Tropic Equinox. That's all I have to say. It's the best. It's truly the best highlighter. I use the daylights out of this thing. I just use it with my finger. It makes my nose look unreal. Someone asked me if I did something to my nose on Instagram the other day, and I was like, girl, it's that Kosas highlight. I love the glow power that it has, and I just think it's one of the best cream highlights because it's so glowy and dewy, but it doesn't have that like metallic look to it. You know what I mean? Like ethereal light. It's very beautiful. So I love that. Okay, so I have a mascara right here. This is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I'm gonna use this. Oh, I like the bristle so far. Ooh, do you guys see this? It's like separating AF. Oh, wow. You guys, I might have found my latest mascara fave. Why am I so hairy? Wow. Do you guys see this? It's so pretty. I love lashes like that. Like sometimes I just don't want a clump situation. I'd rather have like a little dainty lash look, but like the lengthening is everything. And the separation. Like look how pretty. It's so cute. I love it. I have a gloss to show you guys, which I really like. This is from Kosas. It's just called their wet lip oils in the shade Dip. This shade is really pretty. It's quite nice. I feel like this is the first time I've worn a lip product without lip liner on. This is weird, but I don't mind it. I think it actually looks pretty good. It feels very fresh all of a sudden. I am, however, gonna add a little bit more blush because I feel like we're losing my blush power. What's this? Oh, I have a lipstick. Oops. It's actually so pretty. This lip color, it's the Ilia Color Block Lipstick in the shade Marsala. I kind of use that to do like a little lining situation. Even though we just applied gloss, oh well. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use this. This is the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. This is not technically for makeup, but you can use it for that. You can use it to refresh. Holy sprinkler. Sometimes it's like good if you have like a really intense spritz to like spray it up into the air and then like catch it with your face, you know what I mean? I'm actually really pleased with how this came out. I've never done a video all with clean beauty products, and I've tried all these products. You realize that you can achieve just as great of looks as other brands that aren't clean with clean products, which is really nice. And it is nice also to just switch it up when you can and just use clean products because obviously cruelty-free, all that jazz. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any other brands that are also clean that I haven't mentioned today, which I'm sure there's a plethora of them, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below because I'm definitely gonna go and look into them. Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to try more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I'm sweating balls right now. My knee pits are sweating. Literally sweating. My pits, I don't even want to go there. It's so nasty and swampy down there right now.